Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys system navigation setting. And today video title is guys how to use Tecno mobile button navigation setting. Friends, you want to use button navigation setting, you don't want to use cache settings. So how to remove cache setting and how to set button navigation in Tecno mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile 3 button navigation. So how to set 3 button navigation in Tecno mobile. So friends, before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, open your phone system setting first of all. So friends, we will on Tecno mobile system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile you can change phone language, you can use date and time setting, and friends you can reset your network setting, and friends you want to factory reset, so you can factory reset from here. So when swipe here friends, you can see we don't have 3 button navigation, and you don't want to use gesture settings, you don't like gesture settings. Friends, click here 3 button navigation. After you get 3 button navigation friends, you can see how to use 3 button navigation setting. Recent tab you can check here, and you can use back button and home button. And friends, now if you swipe here right and left side, you cannot use back button, you cannot use cache settings. So like that friends, we can set 3 button navigation in Tecno mobile, and friends we can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to use 3 button navigation in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you have any problem, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.